Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very delicious, simple SHITO with just 5 ingredients for your Waakye and Kenkey. Come with me and let's make. Thank you. Ingredients for making our SHITO will be needing our dry chili, garlic, ginger, onion. This is our ajin, fillet ajin or mad fare, dry catfish, herrings, and salt to taste, and oil, cooking oil. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for making our SHITO. This type of SHITO, I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to pound everything. So guys, I start with my pepper. Pound it. I'll go ahead and add some dry herrings. Our dry ingredients is ready because we really want this SHITO to be chunk in it, big chunks in it. So I'll go ahead and remove it, and then we'll pound the wet one. This is our ginger and garlic, guys. So you really need to be careful because if you bump on it very hard, it will fall on the ground. The flavors, guys, the onions and the ginger in Ghana are so strong, so strong and powerful, guys. I'm also sitting outside, but the weather today is perfect. There's no sun. It is just a normal cooling weather. I think the temperature is around maybe 18 or 20 degrees or 22 approximately. It's really a perfect temperature for me. Let's go ahead and add some salt to it. Now it's turning into a very fine paste. We'll go ahead and add the dry ingredients. It's ready, so I'll go ahead and remove it. This is our SHITO paste, and this you can also keep it in your freezer. Anytime you need it, you just bring it out and then you use it. Let's go ahead with the oil, guys. Let's go ahead and add the meat, ginger, garlic, and the pepper. Guys, look at this. This is authentic Ghana SHITO Kasa. When we were growing up as children, this was the type of SHITO Auntie Koko was making to sell her Kenkey. SHITO means we have been an amoya or the Waakye, and we are doing the same. Very fast, very easy to make, and it's so delicious. The flavors, the cramp, Will make you eat a bowl of waakye. Guys, it looks so delicious. The color is really changing. You can see that. So it's really cooking. We still need to cook it more. Just 5 ingredients, but it's delicious, guys. Guys, I'm going to taste for salt. I still need to add a little bit of salt. I'll go ahead, this amount is okay. Make sure you stir it in. Leave it for a few minutes and we'll taste it again. Guys, our Washito is ready. Look, it looks so delicious. I'll go ahead and put up the fire and then we'll let it cool down. Then we will come back and serve, guys. Look at this. Guys, our authentic Ghanaian SHITO that can be used to eat your kenkey and your waakye is ready. This is specially for Waakye and Kenkey. Look at this deliciousness, guys. Let's dig in and serve. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so delicious. Only 5 ingredients, SHITO, guys. Oh, it looks so delicious. Very simple and delicious. Look at this. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy SHITO. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss, kiss. Adios.